In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find subfolders in Outlook mailboxes. If you're an Outlook user, you might be familiar with the challenge of organizing emails within subfolders. Knowing how to access these subfolders can make your email management much more efficient. So let's dive in and explore how to do this in just a few easy steps. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Outlook. If you're using a web browser, navigate to Outlook's official site or launch the Outlook application if you're already using it on your computer. Once there, take a quick look at the top right corner of the screen and you should see a sign in option. Go ahead and click on that to begin accessing your account. Now you'll need to enter your email and password to proceed. Signing into your Outlook account ensures that you have the necessary permissions to manage your folders and access your emails. Remember to keep your login credentials secure, safeguarding them from unwanted access. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the mail interface, usually in the inbox. Now, this is where we're diving deeper. Locate the folder within your Outlook mailbox that houses the subfolder you're interested in. Most of us create folders in Outlook to categorize emails so they appear on the left pane of your screen. Browse through these until you find the main folder that you suspect contains subcategories or subfolders. After you've found the main folder, search for a small arrow or triangle to the left of the folder name. This little arrow is your key to unveiling any subfolders that might be hidden beneath the surface. Click it and voila! Your subfolders are revealed. These subfolders function the same as your main folders, allowing you to store and organize messages effortlessly. Now that you have access to your subfolders, you can start exploring or organizing your emails further. This is particularly handy for those of you handling numerous emails and needing specialized organization strategies, whether it's sorting by projects, clients, or activities. It's worth noting that the usability of Outlook's folders and subfolders goes hand in hand with your personal organization style, so feel free to experiment and set up additional folders or subfolders to better manage your email inbox. With these steps, you're well equipped to navigate your Outlook account with increased ease and efficiency, ensuring you stay on top of your emails without missing a beat. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now able to find and use subfolders within your Outlook mailbox seamlessly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.